As humans, I think that there are 5 things that we're looking for when we go into our really intimate, deep relationships. And when one of these is missing is when we start to feel disconnected. So let's dive into what those are today. I'm Stacy Rocklein, and it's my mission to eradicate loneliness. And one of the ways that you can help this mission is by subscribing to this channel. And you'll get all kinds of other ways to make your relationships exceptional. So let's dive into these ingredients really quickly. I think that they are these: to be seen, to be heard, to be supported, to be loved, and to be chosen. So breaking down each one at a time. What does it mean to be seen? For me, being seen means the other person knows me, like they really know me. They know me at my essence, at who I truly am. They know my desires. They know my struggles. They know my strengths, my weaknesses. They know the things that are important to me. They know my heart. That's to be truly seen. What does it mean to feel heard? Heard, I kind of think of more as on a moment-to-moment basis. If I have something that I need to share or I want to talk about, when the other person is able to really listen, and I mean listen with empathy, listen without interrupting, listen and meeting me with what I need, a cheerleader or a problem solver or just an ear. They're able to pay attention to, the things I'm communicating that I'm not saying. Like, they're so invested in understanding me. That is when I feel really heard. What does it mean to feel supported? Feeling supported is feeling like that person, they're here for you. They're here for you. They recognize that you have desires, that you have needs, that you can't do life alone. You want to be independent in your relationships, but you also want to choose to support each other. So you want an interdependence as well. And they're here for it. They're like, what can I do? How can I help you be the best version of yourself? How can I help you realize all of your dreams? How can I help you navigate your struggles? They are so here for it. That's to feel supported. What does it mean to feel loved? This is how we usually talk about relationships, that all you need is love, right? It's not actually true. You need all these other things too if you want to have a really close, intimate one. But feeling loved is that, that warmth, feeling cherished, feeling honored, feeling respected. Like this person is radiating this warm energy toward you. You feel wrapped up in it. You feel without a doubt that they're stoked to be in this relationship with you. And then finally, what does it mean to feel chosen? This is a human desire to want to belong. There's something in us that wants to know, of all the people a person could have chosen to be in a romantic relationship or friendship or whatever with, they picked you, right? Feeling chosen, like, out of all my choices, I want you. I want you as part of my life, part of my community, part of my family. I want you. Feeling chosen is super important. So I think we're all looking for all 5 of these in our relationships. And when we don't feel one of them, it hurts. So what do you do with this information? Super simple. Think about each one. Pick a primary relationship in your life. Maybe it's romantic. Maybe it's just a really close person to you. And go down that list and ask yourself, do I feel seen? Am I seeing them? Do I feel heard? Am I hearing them? Do I feel supported? Am I supporting them? Do I feel loved? Am I loving them generously with my whole heart? Am I feeling chosen by them? And are they feeling chosen by me? And when you figure out where the disconnect is, then you know your work. Then you've got the area of focus. Then you can go in there and be like, hey, how do we improve this? And you can keep creating that deep, intimate connection. So just consider that today, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you get more information on how to create really exceptional relationships in your life. And I wish for you to feel seen, heard, supported, loved, and like you belong. And thank you for being a part of this community.